everybody. Good morning. It's morning time for me. Um, I am super excited because I did see the video that came out last night that announced the design team that I am on and participating in. And there's 10 of us, and I'm going to link the video below in the description so that you can see all the channels that she chose. And you can also see her new design uh, digital pack, excuse me, which they're really super cute tags, but you can also do so many more things with them. But what I wanted to show you today was what I did with her wedding photos. And the wedding photos, as you can see, I know there's a glare probably. She actually, there's more to this pack than what I'm showing you. And she does do a flip through on her, uh, this is the Etsy store that I'm showing you. And it's Odulcina, Odulcina. And her name is Anne, and she is a great creator. And her digitals are just outstanding, and they're so versatile. So I have another piece that's going to come with what I'm about to show you, but I'm working on it still. I have three projects that I'm working on with her digitals. And the other one just came to me after I made these. So I did see her working with flashcards, and I decided to try my hand at that too. And let me show you without further ado what I did with her flashcards. So her flashcard, the flashcards that I made, I did with this is remember uh the old now I'm not going to think since I'm on camera. I have all kinds of ideas and I can't get it out of my head. Polaroid. What is it? The Polaroid pictures, and they're just absolutely stunning. These I did on photo paper, and I did use one of these already, so I apologize for it being cut out. I'll just put it on top of here. And this one was done just on regular paper. So they both turn out absolutely beautiful. So let me show you the projects that I did. Um, I did, again, I used the wedding set, so I chose to do a wedding set, and I have something else that's going to be coming along. That's going to be a separate video that will be the main piece to this. And it is not a wedding album. I'll just let you know that right now. So I did try to make it all beautiful to really accent her digitals. I did not, I did cut off the part, to do this particular project. But I just wanted to show you what I did. So these are done on the cards, on the flashcards. These will accompany something else, and it's a really cute idea, and I'm super happy about it. But this would be the main piece. So this is the first one that I did, and I just love the black and white. I really do. And what I did was I used cream and touches of black. So let me put that one back down. Uh, by the way, these beautiful things that I put down here, these pieces, the applique pieces, they are from Crafty Me Shop. So the other thing is this one. I love this. I think this is really my favorite, to be honest with you, because I love dimension, and you can see I kind of built that up here. I was going to leave this trim by itself, and oh, geez, when I put two pieces of the wood designs there, they are just so pretty, and they were so pretty as wood with this particular color of cream that I just loved it. I did not painted, I didn't do anything to it. But isn't her digitals just so stunning? These would be great for so many different projects. I used to stay away from wedding stuff, but when I did see that this digital, because I could have used any of her packs, I I chose this one. In fact, I have purchased so much from her. When you're on a design team, they give you packs. I did not need her to send me a pack because I love her digitals. I did not know I was going to be on her design team when I came across her channel, and I went ahead and purchased a few. And then this one is thicker. You'll see that it is thicker. It's on a card too, flashcard. But what I did with this one is on chipboard, and I wanted it to be sturdy so that when it was displayed in the tag, it looked really pretty. And I just put a tea-dyed doily behind it, and then I just put one of those pieces that I told you I kind of covered up on the other one. It's just really pretty. And if somebody wanted to, and they got creative and they have ideas, they could actually use those white writing pens to put something here, or they could put a picture, that kind of thing there. So if the space, when you see space, just relax and let your ideas come. All right. And then the other thing that is in there is I did put a pack of lace so that whoever got this, because this will eventually be in my Etsy store, whoever did purchase this could actually have some of the cream lace that would accompany this if they wanted to do something different. That's why this pack is thicker. So I'm really super excited. Again, I have more projects coming and I am going to link her her site on Etsy down below, and I'm going to link her channel on YouTube down below. And she also does sell journals herself. That is a separate Etsy. Um, she put her digitals in her shop separate. So I will link my information. I have an Instagram. I have a Etsy. Actually have an eBay and I have an Etsy 2 store that I'm selling vintage stuff in. But because we do hauls and we buy estates and things like that. And we have so much stuff now that my husband needs me to help him list. So I'm going to start my own thing to help, or add to what we do here. But anyways, thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and take that leap of faith and just know that I'm here to answer any questions. I'm here to be challenged if you want to see something or you have ideas that you'd like for me to see. I'm getting ready to do another video that is completely uh, different than this. It's going to be mixed media and creating different colors with the paste with different mediums. So if you would like, go ahead and like this video and ring that bell so that you get notifications when I do. And please, please, please go to the other channels that are my design team members, co-members, and join them and support them because they are very, very creative. I did already go check them all out if I hadn't already been subscribed to some of them. All right. Thank you so much again. Have a wonderful day. You deserve it.